Hey Robert, this is Paul with Grassfire. I'm going to show you just some things going on your website, and also just what we talked about with looking at your competitors and how to beat them and such. The one thing that we always do is we have a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage. This is keyword rich. We'll look at some keywords here in a moment, and getting those keywords in that minimum 1,500 just allows us to have enough words to per keyword to actually get those on your site and have Google crawl them well. A lot of times it does end up being more than the 1,500 words, but we'll just look at that and balance that with how many keywords we're trying to be found for. The second thing that we are trying to do is get the backlinks coming to your website really strong. So these are other websites that will link to yours, and we go get those links that we need with the strength that we need to beat your competitors. And then the third aspect is citations. These are your name, address, and phone number listed on as many online directories as possible, and we go get those as well. Also look at what your competition is doing to see how many we need. So just getting started, looking at your site. It's a good looking site. You guys have got a nice video there. You're really lacking on the content. I think we can make this look just a little bit better as well. Definitely want to have some reviews and testimonials on there, like you've got a couple on. These are a little bit old, some of them are, but we'll get those corrected on there as well. And then just to show you kind of what's happening right now, so when I type in Plumber Springdale AR, you got Ray Lust, Johnson, and Masters of Disaster Leak Detection popping up in the map section. And then in the organic section, you've got Yelp, Angie's List. Ray Lust is the number one plumbing company there. And then you've got Farwell and Roto-Rooter, ReadyRooter, and Pascal and Plumbing NWA. So, you guys have got some work to do to get up in the ranking there, but we can definitely get you fixed up on that. Just looking at your competitors' sites, this is what Johnson Plumbing's looks like. It's got some nice images. They've got, talk about leak detection, water heaters. They've got just different areas that they talk about things. They're not, heavy on content at all, so these guys are going to be, fairly easy to beat. They've been around a while, so the age of their site is going to help them a lot, but we will eventually overtake these guys and push you guys up there. Looking at Ray Lust, they have a much more robust site because they're based out of Central Arkansas. They've got 4 locations, and we're basically trying to beat a location page up here. So he's got a keyword actually in the URL slug. So we'll just do some things that we need to beat that and overtake them, but it will take a little bit of time. But just looking at where you are right now, so this is a program we call Ahrefs that just allows us to see, how you guys are doing. You've got 19 referring domains coming from 51 different backlinks, and you're being found for 11 keywords. Your site strength is not very strong, so that means that these backlinks that you have are just not very strong. We'll get this boosted up, and you've got a good history of kind of climbing, so that's going to be, looking good as we strengthen your site. Looking at some of your competitors, so this is plumbingnwa.com, which is the Johnson Plumbing site. They're about equal with you guys as far as the strength of the site. They're being found for a whole lot more keywords, and they've just been around a whole lot longer. Their site's been around pre-2014, so that's going to, just longevity is going to help them. But we're going to boost past this on the referring domains and get you guys beating those guys. Looking at Ray Lust's site, this is actually going to be fairly easy to beat. Once we get your referring domains with a lot more strength, you can see he's got a 20 over here where the other guys and you guys had like 3.1 and 3.5. So we just got to get this optimized well and get the right backlinks with some strength coming in there to push you guys up. And you can see, he's getting quite a bit of traffic off of that, just being in that first position. So looking at just what are they being found for. So I'll drill into these keywords so we can start to see some of the volume on that. Of course, they've got Johnson Plumbing in their name, and that's going to be something they're found for. But Plumbing Springdale AR, you can see 200 searches a month. It's got an 8 as a keyword difficulty. That just means it takes a little bit of time to, to move up in the rankings. It's a lot harder to rank for an 8 than it is, say, a 1. But we'll get there. They're in 5th position. Plumbing Fayetteville AR, 200 searches a month, 1 on the KD, so that's going to be a little easier to rank for. And then you've got plumber, Fayetteville AR, you've got plumbers, Springdale AR, another 300 searches, plumbing, another 100 searches. So you can see all this search volume starts to add up when we get these keywords right on your site and get it to rank. And then it's just a matter of like what percentage of those searches can we get to land on your site so that you can get that call. Looking at, let's go back here and look at the strength. So just to show you what this looks like on the referring domains, you know, they've only got 2 here, but we'll pull that up and see what that looks like. You know, 0 on the do follow, so they're not really getting any strength off of that. That site's going to be pretty easy to beat. If you look at yours, just to show you what those are. So you can see these links coming into your site, and this is a do follow link, so this has a strength of 10, this is a strength of 8, 4, 3, 2, and then a bunch of zeros. So we're going to get, you know, a lot more of these that actually have you know, strength coming to your site, and do this without having to you know, pay for those links, as long as, you know, your competitors don't have something that we really need to try to do that to beat, but usually don't have to. And those 3 things are really what we're looking at is, you know, is the content right on your site? What do we need to do to get the content right? We will, you know, write what we need to and add that to your site. We will look at the backlinks that are coming to your site and how strong do those need to be compared to your competitors, and just what do we need to do to beat those guys. And then we will go out and get, you know, probably 100, 120 citations. So that's listings on these online directories. Most of the competitors we see you know, are in the 20 to 30 range of citations. So, you know, we want to just blow past them and just dominate them on the citations listings up the side. So I'll send this video to you, and we'll start putting a proposal together, and we'll talk to you soon. Let me know if you have any questions.